Happy Sunday. Today is supposed to be a Sunday reset type of situation. However, I'm super sick, if you can't tell. I definitely have a cold, for sure. Check my temperature, I don't have a fever, so that's a vibe. However, I definitely have not been feeling 100% since Thursday. I really pushed the home remedies Thursday and Friday because my birthday was Friday. I did live it up on Friday. Had the time of my life on Friday, and now I'm paying for it. However, I would have rather much been sick today than my birthday. So today we're just gonna have a very chill Sunday reset. There are some things that I need to do because even though I'm sick and I don't really have a voice, does not mean that I do not deserve to have a clean house. I deserve to have a clean house. So definitely got some laundry that I need to fold, and I'm going to get some things from the store. I'm just gonna have them drive up, pick up instead of me going into the store because I don't feel like doing all that. So yeah, let's get this Sunday reset started even though it's 2 p.m. I've been laying down a lot. Going to honestly probably start with my kitchen. She's kind of a mess. Then tidy up my living room, go to my bedroom. Also, boiler up, bitches. Okay, I just ordered a plethora of medicine and soup and other things that will help you when you're sick, like oranges and fruit and all of that stuff. And in the meantime, while I wait for these 2 hours, I am going to clean my kitchen and my living room area, so let's do that. Being sick on a day like this is so stupid. It's like the nicest day it's been in the past week. It was horrible on my birthday, and it's now like a beautiful 65, 70 degrees, and I have to stay inside. Love my life. I love this for me so much, so much. So I made it to Target, but surprisingly I did a lot of stuff before I got the notification that my pickup was ready. I cleaned my kitchen, I got my living room together, and I was able to fold all of my laundry and start a new load. However, I'm exhausted and I have no energy right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get this stuff from Target, and then I'm going to relax for a little bit, maybe take a nap, because I'm really, really, really tired. That's the plan for now. We've got the goods, the sick goods. There's also some Gatorade somewhere, but heck yeah. Let's do a Target haul, shall we? We're gonna start with this bag here. We've got oranges because vitamin C. I love cuties or like tiny little mandarin oranges like this as snacks. So the next thing that I picked out are my favorite snack of all time, grapes. These grapes I would not have chosen for myself, but whatever, this is what happens when I'm sick. People get to choose it for me. There are a couple brown ones in there. They don't really look crisp, but I'll live. On to the bulk of what this haul is. So we've got mucus relief, emergency packets, Vapo Rub. I love a drinkable soup, so I got 2 chicken and star and 2 creamy tomato. These were the only 2 available, so I'm like a little sad about it, but it's okay. Now I'm going to make myself one of these drinkable soups and sit down and watch TV because my camera is dying, so I'll come back when my camera has battery. It is many, many hours later. It is 9:34. I slept from when I got to Target until maybe an hour ago. Oh God, it's like all moved to my nose, so now you can probably hear that I have a lot going on up here. It's so funny because like in the previous clip you can see that I like had made soup and stuff. I literally did not even eat it. I went to sleep before I could eat it, so I just reheated it up in a bowl. Gonna eat that for dinner. Then I'm going to take some nighttime medicine and go to sleep because I feel atrocious right now, and I know that I have to go to work in the morning. I don't want to if I feel absolutely horrendous, so hopefully if I do feel bad I can take tomorrow off, but being sick is so fun.